Subtracting integers. Let's take a look at two different integer subtraction problems. The first is 2 minus 5, and the second is negative 2 minus negative 5. In order to solve these problems, let's think about the number line. In this first problem, 2 minus 5, we know that we start at 2. Whenever we're subtracting, we move to the left. And in this case, we would move 5 units to the left. So if we start at 2, we'd go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units to the left, and our final answer will be negative 3. On the right, we know we start at negative 2. But in this case, minus a negative is a little bit confusing. And actually what happens is, minus a negative turns into a positive. Okay, so I'm going to write that down. Minus a negative turns into a positive. So in this case, we're going to move to the right 5 units. And when we do that, we end up at positive 3.